Hey Christina, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so very much for your recent visit to the website. Looking for information on stock number 190328. That's a touring Honda Pilot 2019, one of my last 19s available. I have that vehicle and it's the touring package. It's the most sought after package because it's got all the front stuff, all the bells and whistles. You can see full LEDs in the front. The nice touring wheels are standard on this model, along with all the extra chrome accents. Glossy trim panels that you get. You're also picking up an amazing display in here. It's got fully voice activated Garmin navigation. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, along with Tri-Zone automatic climate control. It's got top grain heated leather seats. It's got push button access to that third row and more cab capacity than any of our direct competing models. It's a phenomenal product. I know you're just starting out the process, doing some research. So if there's anything I can do to assist you, please don't hesitate to call or text me at 205-504-2358. Again, Trent Tate with Tameron Honda. I guarantee when you make it into Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.